Now keep in mind there's a variety of data that's available and can be processed in conjunction with smart connected products. There's external data coming from external data sources that might be available as sources through the internet. There's enterprise business system data coming from your CRM systems, your ERP systems, from the systems that you use in engineering and manufacturing. And then there's data coming from the smart connected product itself. So product data is fundamental to value creation and competitive advantage, but companies need to consider some of the key costs. First, there are hard costs, costs like sensors to capture the data transmission fees if you're pushing the data across cellular networks, for example, and then all the storage required to store the data up in the cloud. The second cost is the security and privacy and risk mitigation around that. Anything that's connected becomes a target of hackers, and you have a responsibility, quite frankly, if you collect this data, to take good care of it and protect it. And then finally, there's a dependency to have the right set of skills and infrastructure to perform analytics and to actually get value out of the data that you're collecting. So our recommendation is, first of all, to realize that big data is highly process and device dependent, and there really is no one-size-fits-all solution. So we think you need to go to what is your strategy. For example, a strategy that's focused on product performance might need to analyze data in real time in order to optimize products or to prevent product downtime. On the other hand, a strategy that's really a product system or a system of systems strategy is going to need to be able to collect many kinds of data from many different sources. So our advice would be start small and try to document what are the specific use cases across your enterprise where you can generate real value. It might be automating consumables, or dispatching service technicians, or performing predictive maintenance and remote diagnostics. So think through those use cases and try to document, what are the best ways and what data would we need to create value. Then we'd say calibrate the scope of your effort according to some of the hard costs around data transmission and storage. Then we think as companies mature in their capabilities and in their understanding, then you can kind of go back and make tweaks to your strategy and either collect less data or collect more, depending upon the value that you now have a better understanding of. To learn more, I encourage you to download the HBR article or contact us on ptc.com.